If you're a YouTube creator, you probably already know that thumbnails can make or break your channel. You can have the best video in the world, but if your thumbnail doesn't pop, nobody's gonna click. That's where Thumbjoy.ai comes in. It's kind of like ChatGPT, but built just for thumbnail. You can literally upload your existing thumbnail, describe what you want, and in seconds, it creates eye-popping, click-worthy designs. But here's where it really gets wild. There's AI vision analysis to help you with different styles and tell you what colors will convert. There's different creator styles like MrBeast and many more. Just ask Thumbjoy and it will instantly adapt to that creator style. There's tons of customization. You can change the colors, the fonts, you can add lasers to the eyes, change the background color, add fire, whatever you want, you describe it and Thumbjoy will create it. This is a super cool tool. So whether you're a new creator or chasing millions of views, Thumbjoy.ai takes the stress out of thumbnail design and replaces it with speed, creativity, and proven results. After using this tool, I'm no longer using Canva, no longer using Photoshop. I'm just describing what I want and my thumbnails are awesome. I'm excited to show you this tool, so let's dive in and see what it's all about. So we've landed at Thumbjoy.ai and we're going to dive right in and show you how easy it is to use this tool to create a new thumbnail or edit your existing thumbnails. They have nice free tiers, so you can create 10 free thumbnails, and then their unlimited plan is only $14.99 a month. So really excited to show you this tool. Been using it for a little bit and I'm blown away by how easy it is to improve your existing thumbnails. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to go ahead and log in. I already have an account here. So let's log in and give this a try. So there's two options. You can either improve an existing thumbnail or create one from new. Let's go ahead and improve an existing thumbnail first and see how that works. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head out to my YouTube channel and I'm gonna take this thumbnail here because it's pretty basic. I think it could use some enhancements. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to copy the URL of this YouTube video because Thumbjoy actually allows you just to paste in your YouTube URL. If you have it on your machine, you can also upload it as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste this in. Let's go ahead and do that. And we're gonna get the thumbnail extracted for us automatically. What I really love is this chat style interface. So right out of the gate, we can do a couple things. We can apply a creator style or we can make any sort of custom edit. Let's go ahead and hit apply creator style. You'll see here, there's a bunch of different creator styles already teed up for us. I like MrBeast, so I'm gonna go ahead and click MrBeast here. Pretty quickly, we're gonna get a thumbnail back that should be improved from our initial version, and this will be optimized in MrBeast style. Okay, so here's what we got. Already, I'm liking this a lot. We've got tons of fun colors. Already, I'm seeing this is way more engaging than our original thumbnail. Are you tired of answering the same questions over and over again from your customers? Like, what is your pricing? What are the features? Do you have a free trial? Well, I'm gonna show you a tool from elfsight.com that makes it super easy to create a chatbot that's trained on your website data. All you need to do is hit create widget. You can choose from any of the pre-built styles. We'll go ahead and choose this one. And then all you need to do is enter your website URL, thumbjoy.ai in this case. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna train the chatbot on your website data. You can even upload custom data, files, text, or whatever you want the chatbot to be trained on. Once you're done, we're going to show you how it intelligently answers questions for your customers. Now that it's done training, we get this really nice preview. There's even some pre-built questions like what services do you offer? I'm going to go ahead and click this and see how it works. All right, this is really, really good. It is showing actual data from my website, like unlimited thumbnails, AI face swap, speed, psychology-based design. Wow, this is awesome. I can't believe how accurate this is. You can even do really cool things like change the bubble icon, the bubble position. We can put it on the left. We can change the language, the time zone. We can even add custom CSS or JavaScript. It's super easy to embed this right on your site, and it takes care of all the common support questions that your customers might. Definitely check out elfsight.com, install it on your website, and start saving time and money. You can see the evolution of your thumbnail on the left. And over here on the right, there's an AI vision analysis. So for each generation of your thumbnail, there's going to be some suggestions over here, like color suggestions, effects suggestions, composition suggestions, and you can take any of these and apply them to your thumbnail. For example, change the man's glasses to be mirrored shades with subtle gradient effect, giving them the futuristic and high-tech look. I really like this idea. These glasses here are kind of boring. It'd be way more engaging to have these sort of futuristic sunglasses. So let's go ahead and click that, puts it into the chat, and then we can just go ahead and hit enter. And we're going to use this AI vision analysis suggestion to approve our thumbnail. But we're not just limited to that. We can actually type in anything that we want. So very quickly, we got back this new thumbnail. It has these awesome new glasses, which I really like. But let's just take this a step further. Let's say change the man's shirt to blue. Okay. And as you will see here, any edit that we make will intelligently update right here in the thumbnail. So here we go. We've got a new blue shirt. It looks really good. We have this glow effect preserved. We have the sunglasses preserved. And it even kept the logo on the shirt, which is super, super cool. Okay, so if we're happy with it, we can download it now. We can make another edit. We can start over. Let's do one more edit just to show you how easy this is and how powerful it is. A cat to the man's shoulder. The reason I'm doing this is because there's a cat in the laptop here on the screen. So I think it would look super engaging if there's also a cat on my shoulder here. So you can do all these sort of natural language edits. You could change the font color. You could add emojis or arrows if you want, all in natural language. And everything works really, really well. So here we go. We've got the cat on my shoulder. It's super good. I'm really loving this thumbnail. We could also do something like remove his watch. Let's just see if this works. And again, as we go through here and edit our thumbnail, we can look at any version of our thumbnail and we can actually save it if we would like. We can also, from our account, look at all my generations and save them from there as well. Okay, and the watch is removed. It looks really, really good. I'm so impressed by how good this all looks and how it all works. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a new chat. And for the second example here, let's just create a thumbnail from scratch. So there are some example prompts here. Tech reviewer surrounded by gadgets, bright lights, and wow text. A shocked person pointing at glowing cryptocurrencies chart with huge grains. Let's just do this. You can type any prompt that you want. You can also upload your own face to swap it into the thumbnail. I'm not going to do that here, but you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and hit generate thumbnail. Again, this would be generating a thumbnail from scratch versus improving your existing thumbnail. But once the initial thumbnail is generated, the workflow is going to be exactly the same. You can chat with your thumbnail, you can creator styles, you can use the AI vision analysis and everything else that we just showed in the first step. I just wanted to show you that you can create thumbnails here from scratch with AI. And let's go ahead and try something here. So let's go ahead and change the text. What would you like to change the text to? Just type you want to change the text to massive gains. Okay, so let's see if this works. Text is sometimes a little finicky with AI, but I think that this will work. And let's see what we get. Okay, and it worked instantly. We got massive gains here. I haven't actually seen this before. This percentage is a little bit outside of the frame. We could actually get to remove the percentage from the bottom or change it. I'm not going to worry about that right now. When you create a thumbnail from scratch, there's a little bit more variation and it's a little bit less predictable. If you have an existing thumbnail with text on it already that's in frame, it will preserve text. But just like before, we get this AI vision analysis, change the young man's hoodie to a reflective metallic silver color. I like this idea. Let's go ahead and try it and just see how it works just for one more test. And hopefully it looks really okay. Should just take a second here. And there we go. Already, this is looking really good. And the AI is suggesting these things for us because it has intelligence on what makes click, gets clicked, and what makes fails convert. This is a super simple tool, but it's insanely powerful. I've been using it for our YouTube thumbnails, and I hope you check it out and try it for your thumbnails. Let us know if you have any comments in the comment section below or any questions. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any other videos like this one.